historic effort to run a mile in under 4 minutes on June 26 in Paris, Nike is paying tribute to longtime athlete partner Faith Kipyegon with a special running collection. In addition to inviting fans to stage Charlotte to watch the event live, Nike will stream the event live on its YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Douyin, and Prime Video platforms worldwide. A documentary and limited series, created in collaboration with Box to Box Films, will also chronicle Faith's preparation for the historic achievement. Faith is the most decorated female middle-distance runner in history, and the special edition colorways are meant to honor her legacy. Performance and heritage are both represented in the collection, which was released a few days prior to the event. Built for speed and creativity, each pair helps Faith and athletes worldwide push the limits of what is conceivable. On June 20th, the Nike running collection for Faith Kipyegon will go on sale on Nike.com and at a few other stores.